everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And tonight, ladies and gentlemen, is the retro night. My man, Lou Creative. This is his baby. This thing is going to be ridiculous. What are we doing tonight?
We're out here at Suck Bang Glow from 7 p.m. to close. Heck, we got here at 5 and there was already a parking lot full of people. So it's getting crazy. We've got t-shirts, we got costume contests, we got a retro DJ, we got retro drink specials. My girlfriend Emily's already had one of the Miami Vices and it comes in a Capri Sun pouch. So we're going old school, back to our childhoods, back to the glory days, and we're gonna have a kick-ass time tonight.
Right. There is no telling what's gonna happen tonight, so we're gonna kick it off right now. Look at this.
Yes, sir.
How we doing so far? Woo! Is this nuts or what, dude?
This is crazy. I am. We've only got XLs and 2Xs left.
Wow. Shirts are all, well, they'll be gone by the time you see this. So.
I'm about to go pick up my costume contest contestants.
Okay.
And we're gonna give away some stuff.
Dude, Scott already won. Scott won.
Yeah, no, he's a shoe-in for best man.
Give them best couple for.
Okay.
Craziness.
Cool. I thought them sounds good, man. This is what I sent them.
So you're walking around the fine establishment, and you run in. You never know who you're gonna run into. We got Tony.
What's up?
What's up?
What's going on?
Chilling, man. And of course, Brian Prince, the man. Your car is right. So you got the four eyes together. Was that an accident or no?
It was planned.
Those four eyes, though.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, it is totally legit out here. Just boxes everywhere. Absolutely crazy. I'm thinking the burnouts are probably going to start soon. I haven't seen any police. I haven't seen a Hellcat on race launch. I really hope he's not looking for a race. He doesn't want one. Not here, not tonight. He don't want one. Yes, sir. It is legit out here. It is starting to get dark, so I'm trying to get a little more in. But everybody stay tuned. We'll have some wild stuff later.
Cameras right here now. That's the trouble.
I absolutely had nothing to do with any of this.
I'm just filming.
That's clean knots right there.
Foxcast all the way, yeah! What's up, buddy?
I was like you last year, Foxcast.
What's that?
I missed the freaking burnout.
Don't miss them this year.
Appreciate that.
You got it, buddy. Hey, can I get you on the channel?
Sure.
Oh, I get you.
What up?
Dude, you gotta
Mustang
do a
week.
box body build.
I know. Well, I have one, and I love it. But I've been wanting to do a 4i for a while, so
Nice,
it's on the
nice.
list.
All right, guys, so this has been an absolutely insane meet. We've got every parking lot in the freaking area full of cars. People are still coming in. But I'm going to cut this one short. This is just a little taste of the nightlife at Mustang Week. It's absolutely insane. This is the retro meet. It's on Wednesday night, the best one ever. So in the meantime, like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And Ken,